This is part one of a three-part series in which we explore unique conservation projects that are small scale but are big on impact. Forests are an essential part of the landscape, mitigating climate change, fostering unique biodiversity, and purifying our air. With ongoing development, we often lose many of these benefits in dense urban areas. In this episode, we're going to explore how creating microforests, no bigger than the size of a tennis court, can make a massive difference in greening urban spaces, mitigating climate change, and increasing biodiversity. Stay tuned. So a microforest is a densely planted, self-sustaining area of native trees and plants that rapidly matures into a complex ecosystem. Created using the Miaki method developed by Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki. Microforests are created by densely planting a diverse mix of native tree and plant species in a small area, closely mimicking the natural processes of a self-sustaining forest environment. This method leverages the intense competition for light and resources among the plants, accelerating their growth and encouraging a robust, healthy ecosystem. Each species is carefully selected based on its natural ability to thrive in the local climate and soil, ensuring the forest develops rapidly and remains resilient against environmental stresses. Microforests grow at a remarkable speed, achieving maturity up to 5 times faster than traditional forests, typically reaching full development in just 20 years. These mini forests are not only 30 times denser, but also demonstrate a 30-fold improvement in carbon dioxide absorption compared to conventional green spaces, making them powerful tools in urban areas for combating climate change. With biodiversity 20 to 100 times greater than previous sites, they provide critical habitat for wildlife, significantly enhancing local ecological health. These small but mighty forests also deliver substantial social benefits, such as improving air quality, reducing urban heat, managing stormwater runoff, and offering green, serene spaces for community well-being and recreation. So I'm here at the Joshua Creek Heritage Art Centre in Oakville, Ontario, which now hosts the region's first mini forest, a project facilitated by OakvilleGreen Conservation and supported by Green Communities Canada through their Living Cities Fund. And this initiative represents a significant step towards ecological restoration and community involvement in the Greater Toronto Area. So I found the mini forest at Joshua Creek Heritage Art Centre, and you can see it here. And it is quite small. If I step back, you can see kind of the full scale of the 100 meter squared area. And it may not look like much now, but here's a photo showing what it looked like just 1 year ago. And this is what the site could look like in a few years' time. So you can see how closely all these trees are planted together and the diversity of the types of trees there are. And quite a small area. If I step back here again, you can kind of see the whole thing. 100 square meter site was meticulously prepared, starting with a detailed assessment of soil, light, and moisture conditions. The preparation went beyond clearing. It involved enriching the soil with layers of compost and mulch to support a diverse plant community. The forest was planted with 340 trees and shrubs, including 26 native species, arranged to mimic a natural forest layered structure. This diversity supports local wildlife and aids in the forest's health and resilience. Planting was dense, reflecting natural forest growth patterns and accelerating the development of a mature ecosystem. Local volunteers played a crucial role, actively participating in the planting process, which helped foster a sense of community and stewardship. The initial care of watering and weeding is critical to the forest's success, accompanied by educational outreach to engage and inform the community about the benefits of urban forestry. So the mini forest at Joshua Creek Art Center serves as a model for urban greening, demonstrating how targeted, community-driven environmental projects can enhance urban areas. Through strategic planning and community engagement, this mini forest contributes significantly to local biodiversity and environmental education. So microforests might seem like a niche interest, but they have tangible benefits that can affect everyone. These small forests improve the air quality around us, making our neighborhoods healthier places to breathe. They also act as natural coolants, reducing the urban heat island effect, which can be a relief during intense summer heat. On an ecological level, microforests provide crucial habitats for local wildlife, fostering biodiversity right in our own backyards. By supporting these projects, you're not just aiding conservation efforts, you're directly enhancing your own living environment and contributing to a healthier ecosystem for all. So if you're interested in the potential of microforests, consider getting involved in greening your local area. Connect with organizations like OakvilleGreen Conservation or similar groups in your community to learn how you can contribute to these impactful environmental projects. Your involvement can make a significant difference in transforming urban landscapes into sustainable spaces for people and nature. Thanks for watching.